said you ain't going nowhere.
Damn, you're a thick-headed son of a bitch, ain't you?
I told you ain't going nowheres with Miss Ruth's baby.
Come on, Angel. Come on. Come on, sweetheart. It's all right. Come on. It's all right, baby. It was self-defense.
I don't know any white Jerry would care why I did it.
Well, I saw it, and I can test it.
Excuse me here. I don't mean no offense here, but I don't know who's less likely to convince the jury. My mama or Mr. Smokey here.
No offense taken.
Good man, Mr. Smokey. You did good.
The sun's almost up. George? I think it's hog boiling time.
No, ma'am. It ain't cold enough.
It's hog boiling time.
Hey, George. Uh-huh. When is that barbecue gonna be ready? Oh, it's gonna be ready any time now. Smells so damn good, I just can't wait to get me some. Now, don't you forget to call me when that's ready. All right.
Here you go.
Missy G,
Yeah.
Smokey left town. Thought it'd be best under the circumstances. He asked that you tell Ruth goodbye.
Shame he had to go.